this video, we will see how to record consumption from the shop floor insight application. On screen, we can see a production order operation. This is production order 1010-009. The total quantity for this production order is a quantity of 12 Cronus bicycles. At the top here on the toolbar, we can see the inventory section, and this is where we can find the consumption button. I will now click on this button. Clicking this button will display the list of components, or in other words, the bill of materials that are required to manufacture this bicycle. We can see the total quantity here of 12. At this point, I would like to register a quantity of consumed materials of 7 for each of the components listed here. I will now click on 7 in each of the fields here, and I will click on register. I click yes to confirm the registering, and there we are. What have we done in Business Central? Let's have a look. I would like to point out one thing. We're going to have a quick look at the item ledger entries. Well, you can see that there is no current entry here for our production order, and that is very simple. The reason is we have yet to post any of the consumption entries. I will now navigate to the consumption journal, and we will now see the entries for our production order in question. Each line relates to one component, and we can see the quantity there. At this point, a supervisor could review these entries, could modify them if need be, and can decide to post them. I will now decide to post the entries. Okay, let's go back to Shop Floor Insight. Back on the floor, if I click again the consumption button, I will now see the updated remaining field here now indicates 5, meaning that there are still 5 quantities of each component to be consumed. Now, I wish to consume the rest, or to record the consumption. I will now click on the button here, Load Quantities. This button here can be configured with a setting that is found on the shop floor client configuration card. Clicking this will give me the remaining amount. I will now click on Register. Yes to confirm, and there we are. Let's go back to Business Central. Before I go and post the consumption journal entries, let's have a look at the item ledger. Now we can see we've got entries here for our production order 1010-09. Posting the remaining consumption entries will make these entries visible in the item ledger. And there we go. We now see the set of entries for the quantity of 5.
Hey, thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you haven't already, make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel for more great content.